Hi there, students. Wonky. Okay, wonky is a British word. It's informal. It means something that's not regular. It's not firm. It's not level. I wouldn't sit on that chair if I were you. It's a bit wonky. Whoop, whoop. The floor is a bit wonky here. It's not level. It goes up and down. Yeah, my computer's a bit wonky at the moment. It's not working very well. I think it's probably got a virus. Yeah. Yeah, my back's a bit wonky at the moment. I'm not sure I can do much heavy lifting. Okay, so wonky, shaky, unsteady. The table is wonky. Yeah, that door isn't straight. It looks wonky. It's not really quite right. Not working properly. Yeah, my car's a bit wonky at the moment. It's not working very well. And this is the idea of this word wonky in English. Not functioning properly, out of alignment, crooked, unsteady, shaky. Okay, and this is an informal British word. Yeah, it's lopsided. That picture looks wonky. Could you just move it a little bit? Something that's very rickety. Yeah. The whole house looked wonky. It wasn't quite straight, and it looked like it was going to fall down. The information that he gave me is wonky. Yeah, it's just generally incorrect. Now, I was quite interested to see what the Americans normally understand with this word wonky. Enthusiastic, excessive interest in special details of something, particularly political policy. Yeah, so, or very studious, very hard working, although I would never use wonky like this. Yeah, a wonky political junkie. Yeah, but well, maybe they're wonky in the mind. Their mind's gone wonky. To go wonky, to stop working correctly. This is an informal word. Yeah, if something's wonky, it's not right. It's crooked. It's askew. After that fight where he broke his nose nose has been wonky ever since. He's got wonky teeth. They're lopsided. They're skew whiff. They're off center. Yeah, or something that's wobbly. Yeah, the wheel on my bike's a bit wonky. It's wobbly, it's unsteady, it shakes, it rocks backwards and forwards. Okay, so wonky, weak, unsatisfactory, not very firm. Yeah, not in a regular shape. So, yeah, a cucumber should be long and thin, not wonky with a wonky shape. Yeah, wonky shaped carrots. Have you ever seen some of these really funny wonky shaped carrots where they've got really weird shapes? Yeah. And then this American idea, wonky, knowing a lot of details about something. Yeah, maybe a bit of an egghead, although for me that's a new meaning. Okay, so wonky, this is an informal word. I'd give it a 3, use it in an informal conversation, but I wouldn't use it anywhere else. And as to origin, from Proto-West Germanic, wankle, meaning swaying, shaky or unstable. Yeah, so sometimes your voice is a bit wonky because there's not very good coverage on the mobile phone. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Wonky.